What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be doing a review slash install of the aftermarket headlights that I got for my 2006 Monte Carlo SS. The original ones looked like the Impala they are the Impala headlights, and I don't think it does the car justice, but nonetheless, let's get right into the video. It's gonna be a short one today, guys, so I'm just gonna show you what headlights they are real quick. I already installed them, so I'm just gonna show you how to. You can probably look up anywhere how to, and my review on them. So let's get right into it. All right, guys, this is the brand that I chose for my car. I thought they looked pretty cool. They have like the daytime running lights on them. In here, these are my old headlights because I didn't know what to do with them. Extremely ugly. They look just scratched up. I mean, you couldn't even sell these. I'm just gonna show you the installation on here because it's the same exact thing. So what you have right here, you have these two little like plastic knobs that come out. There is a plastic piece that slides down and clips into them. You take the top part of that piece, slide it out, you slide it up a little bit, pop it out to clear this, and then slide it the rest of the way out. Back here, there's gonna be, I believe, an 8 or 10 millimeter, I honestly forget. And this little pin back here holds the headlight into the fender. I think it's the fender or the core support. And then you just start sliding it straight out, and you have one single connector right here. What you do is you just push in the little prong on here. I think I either push in or you pull out on here, and then it just slides right out. I'm gonna bring the Monte Carlo in the garage right here, so it's a little bit darker and I can actually show you guys what it looks like. Pop open the hood. Damn, you can, oh actually you can see a lot. It looks like, I didn't think you could, it's pretty dark in here. First of all, as you can see, like super clean engine bay. I am gonna do a video on everything I did to the car pretty much. So here are the headlights. They look like pretty dope, I'm gonna say. This little light on the side, at first I didn't like it because I thought it took away from the whole like eyebrow look of it, but now I actually kind of like it. I think it looks pretty cool, like that. Compared to the original Impala headlights, these are so much cooler. Like, it gives the car like actual definition because of that eyebrow. Like, it doesn't look like an Impala from the front, because to any ordinary person that doesn't know anything about cars, that is straight up an Impala. So like I said, guys, with the installation, these little plastic clips, like I said, if you look in here, there's the first and the second one down there. You pull up, out, and then slide the rest of this thing out. Same thing for the installation. You line it up with those two clips, and then if I can do it right, and you just push right back down. That bolt thing comes out, the wiring harness, you simply just unplug that, and that's really all there is. It's super simple process. My only complaint with these headlights is that a lot of headlights do this. They don't do it right now, which is good, but during the cold, they fog up intensely. Like, the bottom half right here is all foggy. It's not right now, which is really cool, but yeah, the whole bottom half is foggy. On both headlights, back here especially, it comes up right through here. That is just completely fogged up, and it really takes away from the look of it. But I mean, right now it's not, usually you drive these cars, like I drive this in the summer anyway, so that doesn't really matter, but when I get it out at the end of winter is when you can really see it, and that kind of sucks. I think that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Just a simple quick video of the headlights in the Monte Carlo. I definitely recommend them. I'll put a link in the description. I will be doing a full rundown of everything I did to the car. Yeah guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Sorry it was really short, and I will see you all in the next one.